Good morning, guys. It's Emmanuel once again, and today we are here for chain daily cipher and the mini game. Okay, so without wasting time, let's get on with it. The word for today is chain. 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 So, having known that, let's go straight and spell it. The first letter is letter C, and then, as usual, we are consulting our chart. So, and to spell letter C from this, our chart is dash dot. Okay, letter C is dash dot. So let's go in and then spell it. Dash dot. Dash dot. Dash dot. Okay, letter C has been activated. So we move on to the next letter, and that is letter H. Okay, and how do we spell letter H? Letter H is spelled with 4 dots. Dot. Tap. Okay, 4 dots into 4 times. So let's do that into 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so letter H has been activated. So we move on to the next one, and the next one is letter A. Letter A. So let's go on and see letter A. And this is letter A. Dot dash. So let's go on and spell letter A. Dot dash. So letter A has been spelled. The next letter on the line is letter I. Letter I. So let's go and spell letter I. So letter I, also an easy one. Dot. Tap. So let's do that. Tap. And we have letter I. Then the last but not the least is letter N. Please, if you are new to this station, please subscribe and turn on the bell notification, because we produce quality video and important video. Yeah, you will gain a lot here. Okay, so letter N, we go to letter N, and letter N is dash dot, an inverse of letter A backward one of letter A. So dash dot. So let's do that. Dash dot. That is letter N. And that is it, ladies and gentlemen. We have gotten the right word. So we take our prize. And then we move on to the mini game. Okay, this mini game. That's the one we are moving on to right now. So I'm moving straight into the game, the mini game, the key. So we go like this, we go like this, we go like this. You come down, you go like this, you go like this. Okay, so, and that is this for that. So my next video, please stick around for my next video. It will be on here. Let me show you. On this playground, that is this place. This playground. playground now, where Hamster has brought out 4 new games. So I'll be treating these two, how to play it. We already know about the bike, so I'll be treating these two in my next video, which I'll be doing right now. Okay, so I'll see you guys very soon. Stick around. Okay.